Selamat malam, apa kabar? How are you? Honorable guest, Secretary of Directorate General of Culture at the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Fitra Arda.
Raja Huring Bali, selamat datang di Bali.
To enjoy in here with us.
About natural diet, exploration physical, one good eating, one
This activity is very exciting and very wonderful for me because it is a wonderful output. It's a good collaboration of all the people who are involved.
We open oxidized and no blue color.
As a whole, this program is very fruitful to us as well as other delegates from other countries, and together with other countries exchange knowledge and also exchange experience. And for me itself, we hope that in the future there will be more activities or more cultural program as this program.
Kedepannya diharapkan kerjasama seni budaya seperti ini terus ditingkatkan, mempererat ya ASEAN connectivity, semuanya itu lebih bersahabat.
Nah, besarnya ke depan menurut saya adalah bagaimana komunitas ASEAN ini kita hidup bersama-sama, kita bisa angkat menjadi sebuah event, bahkan menjadi produk ekonomi kreatif ya, yang itu akan dirasakan dampaknya bagi masyarakat.